Feast your eyes on our latest piece of mastery. You've seen the tarantula. Now introducing the Black Widow.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene?
Starts out with our basic Magnum 44 platform, but that's where the distinctions end. As you'll notice, this one has silver outlets and all the other ones have blue. That's because, voila! Yes, indeed. Feast your eyes on the Black Widow. Instead of our normal colorful array, this boat is all black inside. Black is beautiful and it looks mean. Look at this beautifully organized array. All black, all precise, even black zip ties. Check out this steering setup. Booted up, carbon fiber servo horn. We even put black screws on the servo horn. Black screws on the servo mounting. And we installed this incredible high-tech 778. This thing is rad. All Oxidean water lines throughout, all black. We even installed black steering pivots for him. 15, 20, 1650 kV Castle motors. Robust Castle 8S ESCs. Beefy EC8 connectors wired in series on both sides. Telemetry is connected. He's got his GPS as well as his voltage sensor. This customer wanted turnkey, so of course he got our Quasar talking GPS radio in stunning gold. Our normal hatch lock delete because this guy wants to go real fast. Precision ball bearings in the strut. This guy's gonna have no problem. These things will last forever. These things make for one stout boat, the Black Widow by Oxidean Marine. Remember, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to order one of these special boats, just email us. We'll be glad to make you one. That concludes the video portion of this. Enjoy some photos of the inside of the boat. See you guys soon.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the dominator.